Hi, this is Greg Shlevish. Today we're going to talk about the low end. So, as you know, low end can be a big problem if you don't have them. Many low end is good, but no low end is bad for the industry if you want to play on the radio. Thank you, fuck you. So today we're gonna mix a band that if I can recall is from Gregorville, and they are called the Tin French. So I saw the Tin French in the Porto Rice venue, and they called for me to mix them. I said yes, but they worked with somebody else. So badly, they are really bad with the sound, and they recorded with someone who had shitty mics. So all the mics don't have a lot of low end, and let's hear what they did, and we're gonna try to fix it. So it's the song called Susu Panosor. So let's have a look. But first of all, let's snowshoes. Oh no, yeah, Prasa. Everything in the max. So all right. Not a lot of low end. Okay, groovy. In the city, okay, right. Who's that Susu Panosor? It's the bridge. Okay, so let's just hear, like, there's no low end in there. If you solo the drum, it's not fat as some people say. So let's pegs also on C and hear that vocal. Okay, so let's open the EJAKO. So let's see on the spectrogram, where is the bass? It's not there. So here you have a little fork, like a demon claw, and then you boost 24 dBs. Oh, oh, the bass is there, is back. So now you're clicking on option and drag down to make it twice, and maybe 3 times to have the real bass. Okay, all right. It's important to quiet the bit. So I use my preferred compressor. It's called in utility gain. So you put the gain and you drop it. Okay, all right, perfect. So there you have a lot of bass. So now you can cut the bass with the low cut here. And hear what it sounds. And more? Okay, all right. Let's remove a little bit of bass. That's perfect for now. So let's just put that on every track you have, including the drum. I'm always starting with a setup on the voice and then copy-paste on every track. That way you can just sound like all the big albums from the 70s and the 80s and the 90s and the 2010s. So everybody does that in the tricks. Let's try to hear that again once it's done. So copying this, copying that. Thank you. Fuck you. All right. Let's hear the song. There's not that much bass. We can remove that little one. Perfect. And then you can add a little bit of eyes. Like that. Yeah. That's good. So I pretty love that EQ. It's so nice and natural. So you can just put it on every track, you try to mingle with the radio sound. Perfect. And at that point, you have a clear sound, so you want to add some character. And I don't know if you know that plugin called the Decapitator. Let's try it. Punish, always on. Let's try it on the guitar 1. Oh yeah, a little bit of character. Alright, always end for neutral. Perfect. And then you can copy paste on every track. And let's hear it. Okay, so that one is still a bit... Yeah, don't be shy on those EQs. Let's add a little bit of I for the voice. Yeah, that's perfect. I also have a little plugin called the Shep's Parallel Particles. What it does, it's paralleling the particles, and as you can see, there's a lot of like framing and stuff in the background. So that means the sound is good. And you put that in the 80 L swells, and let's hear the guitar. Yeah, that's great. So when it's great, you just copy paste on everything. We're nearly there. There's a little more bass, so we can add that like that, and let's hear it. Let's roll down the bass a bit. That's perfect. So I hope you can learn from that no mix cannot be retrieved by the ensure of the sound. So please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and thank you, fuck you, and put penis. And if you want a mix, I do mix for $20 a mix, no refund, and you can call me on the number of the everything. So have a great day, and please thank you and subscribe. I'll get you to